I'm on Brooks, and I've had him. He's been here for a few days. This is the horse that I did the live on this past Thursday. And I talked about just what his issues were. And I got one other video of him that should be out by now. I'm not sure if it is or not. Talking about his body, what's going on. His owner's main complaint is that she's having trouble picking up the left lead. And as soon as I got on him, I could feel he's not wanting to bend to the right. He's kind of carrying his right shoulder slouched out to the right. It's not bringing his shoulders to the left. So what I've been working on is getting his body in the correct position. Trot. In the correct position for the right lead. It's no use asking for that right lead if he's not in the correct position to do it. So I'm doing a lot of right rein, a lot of right leg, asking him to bend to the right, move forward. He needs to push with his back end. Get a little bit more push. And I'm going to work a new exercise today. I wanted to get it on video. So far, everything that I've done so far has been geared towards getting the shoulders over, which is the first step. I also need to get him pushing with his back end better. So I'm going to work an exercise today to get that started better, and I wanted to get that on video. Trotting around, getting him to bend. I'd like to get a little bit faster trot, pushing out a little bit more, but I want it to be correct. I want to get that faster trot with a little bit of right bend. And right now, when I ask him to bend to the right, he kind of sulls up. We've got to get right bend going forward. Because when I ask for that Lope transition, we've got to be going forward. This is all little baby steps. Right there, I softened my right leg and he immediately fell into the right. This is all little baby steps towards getting his body where it needs to be to get in position for that right lead. Now let's see if we can get a little faster trot going. Extend it out a little bit. Go forward. He's wanting a counter bend there. But let's get some forward. And then let's see if I can fix the counter bend and maintain some forward. A little more forward. A little more forward. More forward. Kind of bumping with both spurs to send him forward. Now he's got bent to the left pretty bad. Let's see if I can keep that forward and fix that shoulder. Back forward. Back forward. Come on, move your shoulders over. Move your shoulders. Let's just get his head around. Start over. Now let's go forward. Forward. See how he's getting, see how his back end was moving around his front end? He's so heavy on that front right leg that he ain't going forward. All his weight's on his front end, back end is stepping around. That is a good example of why I don't disengage the back end. Lots of disengaging the back end will lead straight to that. I have no idea if that's what caused this or not. I kind of doubt it. But if you do a lot of flexing the face and disengaging the back end, especially if you push the hip one direction and the face the opposite direction, then you are putting the horse on the front end. You're putting the horse in the position to give you the problem that this horse is giving. I have no idea if that's what the owner has been doing. It really doesn't matter. Right now, I just need to get the horse right. Now she's kind of sulling up again. We have to go forward. We have to go forward correct. I've spent, horse hasn't been here quite a week yet, and I've spent a lot of time working on getting this body position. And bending to the right, he's using muscles that he hasn't been using. So I expect that by today, he quite possibly is a little bit muscle sore from lifting this right shoulder, bending to the right, nose to the right, shoulders to the left, because he hasn't been in the position, hasn't been in this position in a long time. Got to go forward. No, we're not loping. We're not loping. Immediately wants to pick up the left lead because of that body position. That's why we have to have this bend to the right and forward. Nope. Really don't want the lope because I know it's not going to be right. But we have to have forward. We have to have some extension. We have to have the back end pushing. And notice how he's wanting to lope off, because that's easier to lope off in the wrong lead, in the wrong body position, than what I'm asking him to do. There we go. His nose went out a little bit, but we got some forward, and it's a little bit to the right. Let's go forward again. Now what will happen in this correct body position, this right bend, and actual some forward, he will transition eventually, maybe today, maybe not today, into a right lead canter, just because that's going to be easier. But we have to have the correct body position. The right bend, nope. Nope. Right bend. Nope. Right bend. Now I'm going to do some turns into the fence. See how I turned to the left, fell on his front end, and immediately fell to the left. Turn, 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 and go. Go. Forward. Right bend.